had to describe Anhui in just one word, what would it be?
I'd describe Anhui as innovation.
What surprised me the most is how easy and natural all this tech feels. From the smart service area to trying out a Neo car and talking with AI at Sci-Tech. And in the creative park, you can really feel new ideas coming to life.
The first word that comes to my mind is future.
Seeing these robots carrying trays and folding sheets, I know that they may not yet be fully part of everyday life, but I believe they will find their way into our lives in the near future.
After attending this fantastic exhibition, I would definitely choose the word globalization.
Here, I met friends from across the world and witnessed the collision of diverse design and tech ideas. From various on-site scenes to the launch events at night, I could feel a sense of openness and inclusiveness that reached out to the whole world. That was my most vivid impression.
If I had to pick one word, it would be heritage. In Jansi village, I saw fish lanterns for the first time in real life, and they were much bigger and more beautiful than I imagined. I even tried the fish lantern dance myself. It was hard but amazing, and painting a fish lantern also taught me something. This craft isn't made overnight. It takes time, patience, and real dedication.
One word: flavor. What first won me over was the Huizhou cuisine and the warm aroma of Keeman black tea. Honestly, I was hesitant about the stinky mandarin fish, but it was incredible. Keeman black tea is remarkably smooth and full-bodied, with a mellow sweetness and floral finish. In Anhui, flavor isn't just tasted, it's felt.
The word that came to my mind is charm.
Walking along the Da-Honling Ancient Trail in Qimen, I could almost picture Huizhou merchants setting off with tea and timber, and returning with grain and fish from afar. Later, I visited Liujiafan town, with its slow paths, grey bricks, black ties, and stunning natural scenery. Anhui has time-honored beauty, but it still feels so alive. That's real charm.
That must be art. At Wuhu Iron Painting Museum, what impresses me the most is that this is art in such an unexpected form, hard yet incredibly refined. Watching a master smith weld iron into such exquisite shapes was unforgettable, and trying it myself made me appreciate this craft even more.
For me, Anhui feels like healing. Trying traditional Chinese wellness here was such a new experience for me, and I honestly loved it. I feel relaxing, refreshing, and just really different in the best way.
Innovation.
Future.
Heritage.
Globalization.
Flavor.
Charm.
Art.
Healing.
That's Anhui for me.
That's Anhui for me.